Alright guys, a few of you have asked for me to do a build video on this Tron Limitless that I did. So I figured I'd show you how I did it. Basically I just used this tape. It's a 3M reflective tape I got off of Amazon. I bought a 50-foot section of it. This is what I had left over. And I applied it to the body, the wheels. Wheels took a while. I had to tape each one individually and then cut it out for it to fit. I also got a little fiber optic wire that I attached to a little 3S battery for the lights underneath the body. The body I just painted blue and black mixture. I left it kind of light so the light from underneath could shine through. But the majority of it is the reflective tape. If you hit it at a right angle with a light, it reflects the light right back at you. These here do plug in and light up. I got off of eBay, and I'll leave some links in the description. It's a motorcycle Tron light that I got off of eBay for like 14 bucks or something like that. I did cut the body right here because they're a little bit longer and I wanted to be able to plug them in from underneath. And then my setup in here, I got a Castle XLX, OSE anti-spark connectors, there's 6S graphene Panther TP power motor, and I just got it kind of rigged up right now because I had it set up for this Limitless or a Tron setup. But that was pretty much it. The control for the lights are back here. It just plugs in, or it just has AA batteries. You turn it on, hit it again, it'll flash. One more time, it'll flash fast. And like I said, they just stick on here, and they're meant for a motorcycle helmet. And I found them on eBay, and it seemed to work well. And that, with the combination of the reflective tape, is how I achieved the Tron look to it. So I think it turned out well, and like I said, a few of you have asked for a build video, so that's pretty much how I did it. There wasn't a whole lot to it. So I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.